Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today I again brought an important video for you. This video is very important for all those who are currently studying in an university. In this video, I will discuss a student program. You can apply it right now. Yes, in this video in this video I will discuss about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program with trick and tips. That means how can apply and what is the benefit. Before moving further, I want to request you please subscribe this channel if you are new here. I will be upload a complete web development bootcamp series on this channel. So make sure you have subscribed this channel and press the bell icon so as not miss the important update uh, from this channel. In this video, I will discuss all important point and all important part of the this application. That means Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program application, and then I will talk about all the stage and the benefit of this program in every stage. So, if you really want to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador in your campus, don't skip this video and watch the video from start to end. Then I promise you, you will definitely crack this program. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, Microsoft Learn a Student Ambassador is the first of all Microsoft Learn a Student Ambassador program is a student program by Microsoft. So first of all, I am going to start the about the benefit of this program. So there are the some benefit of this program. Benefit of being an Microsoft Learn a Student Ambassador. Uh, you will get a Microsoft 365 subscription, Visual Studio Enterprise, along with Azure credit with worth $150 per month, and you will also get the LinkedIn Learning free for 6 months. That means LinkedIn Premium account, and free training in Microsoft technology via Microsoft Learn, food beverage support in event through Subway, networking opportunity with Microsoft officials, and chance to visit nearby Microsoft headquarters for meetup or hackathons. Opportunity to invited for annual regional Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Summit. So the benefit is not limited. There are many more benefits of the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program. So there are three stages of this program. That means there are uh, three milestones that you will have to complete, and I will discuss all the. There are three milestones. That means alpha, beta, and gold. And I will discuss all the milestone and how to achieve these milestone, and the benefit of the every milestone, particular benefit of the every milestone, uh, step by step later. Now I am going to start application process, and then I will talk about some common question that you should know. So let's start. Open your browser. Open your browser and type here Microsoft. Sorry, a student ambassador dot microsoft.com. Don't worry, I will provide all the important link in the description of this video. So open the link, and you will see here the official link of the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program. Then you have to click on apply now. When you click on the apply now button, they will redirect you to login page. If you have already account Microsoft account, then you have to log in, and if you don't have any account, you have to click on the uh, use another account, or if you don't have any Microsoft account, so you have to create one. When you click on the create one, you will have to fill the some information like micro email ID, and then you have to put the password. So I'm not going to create an account because I have already a Microsoft account, so I'm going to sign in the account. So I'm going to sign in my account. Click on next. Then they will ask you to enter the password. Then enter the password and sign in. After signing, they will redirect you to application process. So so they will redirect you to application process. Don't worry. Yeah, and here you can see there are six part of this application. You can see here there are six part of the application. This application, you have to fill all the part step by step and carefully. So first of all, you will get the notification of about the application, and then you have to click on next, and then you will have to accept the privacy and policy of the this program. That means who can apply this program, who can apply to this program. That means you have you be at least 16-year old at the time of submission of the form, and you be enrolled in full time in academic institute, and have valid identification. That means you have a valid identity of the institute. Then you have to click on the agree and wish to continue, and then click on next. Then you have to put some information about you. So if then put your information, that is first name, last name, male, that means gender. Your put your gender, and then your pronoun preference of your gender. That means for male his she, and for female she her hers. Okay, then you have to, it is you already filled email for email section. Then you have to fill the date of birth. So fill your valid date of birth. Then you have to choose the country, and your country, that means and then you have to choose your state. After that, you have to click on next button. Then they will ask you the information about your institute, academic institute. Then you have to fill the country where your institute is located. I am filling my country, and then you have to fill the state where your institute located, and the institute name. Then you have to fill the degree which you are pursuing right now, and I am pursuing computer science and engineering degree. Then you have to fill the degree level, that means bachelor, PhD, uh, a master. Uh, then you have to put the expected graduation date. I am putting 2021 and August. Left. Okay. Then you have to click on next. Then you will direct to a part of the forum. This is the most important part of this forum. So, so please fill this forum carefully. Here you will they asking uh, three question. First is related to inspire. Second is related to teach, and that means you have to teach someone how can you what is the your process of teaching. And third, the promotion. That means you have if you have to promote something, then how is your approach to promote. So uh, first is inspire question. That means that what excites you to about technology, and why do you want to help other student to explore and learn. Please fill this section honestly and share your thought honestly. Then they will also ask a video submission of this question. That means you have to answer the question in text format, and you have to answer the question in video format. You have to at least put one video, uh, and the video should be under 2 minutes. That means the length of video should be 2 minutes. Then you have to upload this video on any server like YouTube and Vimeo, and you have to put this the video link in this box. I am going to give you an example of text section. That means how can you teach to other that don't know about this topic, that those who have never heard of this topic. So I am going to uh, take an example. So I am going to give you an example. That means if there is the example, the topic I will be explaining here is linear search. So while explaining linear search, I like to use the example of searching for certain page number in a small book. While searching for a certain page number, we to tend to starting moving ahead from first page one by one, one by one, one by one, till we reach the specific page. The same concept is used in the linear search. We use a loop with a counter starting from 1 to and ending to the length of the array. We are searching the counter is incremented by 1 at the end of each iteration. In each iteration, the data at the particular memory location is compared with the data being searched for. We exit the loop once the data is found. Okay, this is the example of the teach form. That teach part, sorry, teach part. Then you have to create a video of this answer, and you have to put the link here. Then they will ask you to a question. If you are hosting an event in at your school or college, and then how would get a student to attend. That means how to promote your event. Then you have to uh, write your own answer here, and if you have created a video, then you have to put here the video link. Okay, okay, then you have to click on next. Okay, okay, he is not moving forward because he want at least 100 character. So I'm going to paste here so I can move further. Okay, then the important part of this form is completed, and you have to fill the some social media information. If you have written any blog in any language, don't worry. If you have created any blog in any language, you have to put the link here on any platform like Medium, DevPost, and Dev2, anywhere. And if you have any technical video on YouTube, Vimeo, or any other server, you have to put the link here. And if have already if you have any website or a personal website or resume, you have to fill this link here and GitHub repository here. And if you have the other social media handle like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, you have to fill the all these uh, link here. Okay, then you have to move further and click on next button. And then they will ask you for choosing the your interest towards technology, like you are interested in which technology, like where mobile development, open source, web development, and other. There are many technology available here. You can choose your as your interest. Okay, then there is one more field here. If you have not your technology not listed above, you can put here your interest. Then you have to click on submit button, and then it will submit the form. And you can, after the submission of form, you can check track your form status after the logging your account. When the form your form is accepted, you will get a mail from Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program. And after that, I am going to discuss about the milestone, how to complete your milestone. So there are three milestones, as I earlier discussed: uh, alpha, beta, and gold. First of all, you have to for achieving the first milestone, that is alpha, you have to complete one learning path from uh, Microsoft Learn resource. Here you can find the interactive learn resource, and you have to complete one learning path here. You can choose your learning path as your interest, as there are many learning path here. So you have to complete one learning path. Then you will be promoted to alpha milestone. After that, you have to host an event on that means you have to host an online or offline event. Then you have to update it on Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador official website. Then you will be promoted to Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador beta. And then if you have host many workshop event and active on this community, you will be promoted to Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Gold milestone. So now I am discussing a common question, that is how many students can apply from the one in university or on college. So there is no barrier. As many student can apply from one university or on one college to this Microsoft Learn Student Program. If you have any question about the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program, uh, please ask in the comment box. And how is the video? Please share your feedback in comment. And once again, I want to request you, please subscribe this channel if you have, if you are new here, and like this video and share this video to your all peers and your college mates. Thank you.